Hello guys, this is Percy, your kabayan in Japan, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday morning and it's fairly sunny outside. And well, just this morning, this thing here, which I ordered 3 months ago, I've been waiting for it for 3 months. It came in this morning. So I'm thinking of installing this part, but can you guess, guys, what is this? Anybody make a wild guess? Anybody? Alright guys, so yeah, unbox na natin. We're gonna unbox this thing, ha. May clue na ba kayo kung ano tong laman ng box na to? Right, so andito pala ang we're here with my buddy here, Jaco. He's got his own channel too. It's JDMology, right? It's on the screen now. So he's here to help us install this thing here. Whatever is this, thumbs up to this guy here. Right, very helpful guy. Visit niyo yung channel niya, JDMology.
Subscribe.
Yeah. Alright. Okay. Okay. Oh. Talagang balot na balot, ha. Nice. Woo. Ano to? Mga bracket tsaka bolt. Diyan na muna yan. Tapos tanggalin natin to. Parang pakaramdam ko birthday ko ngayon, although hindi ko naman birthday, Yun ang pinakamasarap, no? Mag-unbox, no? Yan na. Right. Makikita natin kung ano na to. Ano nga ba to, bro? Tingin ko alam na ng mga viewers natin kung ano to, no? I think they already know. It's carbon fiber hood.
So flip.
Yep. Flip natin. Yeah. Ayos. Ayos. Oh, di ba? Wow. Wow. Hawakan ko muna. Pakiramdaman ko muna. Looking at the texture, I mean the surface, ang ganda niya. Kintab niya talaga. Hindi siya wala siyang irregularity sa surface niya. Diba? Yeah, it's good. By the looks of it, parang ang ganda ng niya, ang ganda ng quality niya. Tsaka look at the fibers here. Parang kumbaga isang diretso lang siya. Yung hindi siya pumapaling-paling. You don't see any variation on the direction of the fiber. I think that's one good sign that the craftsmanship of this product is actually good. Yeah, so definitely a Japanese quality, right, bro? Kondo Engineering, Kondo Engineering. They are specialists for Subaru WRX STI, Levorg, those kind of car models. Yeah. Okay. Oh yes. So actually yung backside is actually made of FRP, fiber reinforced plastic. Kasi pagka carbon fiber pati yung likod, sobrang mahal na. It's gonna cost me like, so I don't wanna say the price here in this video. Kondo Engineering wouldn't like it, right? So they don't want me to disclose a price, but making this carbon fiber hood, outer and inner part all carbon fiber, we can do it, but it's more costly than this FRP at the back. So I decided to go FRP at the back, this inner part, because it's not gonna be seen when you install it on the car. So yeah, I saved some costs a little bit. And then they also put this part here. This is actually an OEM part. It's made of rubber. You can also see this in the car when you buy it originally. So they've installed this. They put this as an extra And well, they didn't charge me anything for this. So yeah, meron tayong bagong rubber. I forgot what's the name of, how do you call this part here? Alam mo ba, bro? Hindi rin di ba? Pero ano to part ito ng OEM part to actually. Nabibili to sa Subaru. Yes, so you can see here sa yung outer part niya, no. It's really carbon fiber. Yeah, you can see that, right? It's nicely done. It's nicely crafted. Like it. There's no like yung mga himulmol. Wala kang makikitang himulmol, oh. Look at that. It's like parang parang OEM hood, 'di ba? Parang OEM hood na naging carbon fiber.
Yes.
'Di ba? Nicely done. Yep. And then you can see the ducts here. Meron ditong duct. Dito palabas yung hangin actually. You can see that there. That's where the hot air goes out. All right, so let's go. Okay, so I think ang kailangan natin tanggalin dyan, syempre itong dalawa na to sa magkabilang side, tama ba? Tapos itong strut na to. Okay na. Okay, so one thing to note, guys, we're not gonna use this. We're not gonna transfer this to the new carbon fiber hood. This I think this is an insulator. So we're not gonna need this anymore because it's gonna block the passage of air out of our engine bay if we're gonna put this on. So don't use this anymore, guys. Matigas na. Coconut. Slightly bigger socket wrench kasi kailangan natin ng konting leverage, diba? So easy. Basta meron kang tool, kompleto sa tools. It makes a lot of difference having the right tools. Right now that we were able to remove the stock hood, now we go back inside and we compare the OEM and the carbon fiber hood. Angat natin. Dito na naman sa nilagay. Patayo. Okay, now we measure this OEM hood. 10.1. Are you sure? Ulitin natin. Parang naalalayan natin Isa pa. Ikaw pre. Pinutin mo pre. Ayan na. 10.3.
Talaga.
10.3.
0.9 talaga.
It's 0.9 kilogram difference. So it's 9.4 and this one is 10.3. So there's just 0.9 kilogram difference. Now we found out that it's not much of a weight reduction part because we already have the STI hood here, which is made of aluminum.
Yan.
Okay.
Sa baba.
Pasok na yung baba. Okay, good.
Oh, and yes guys, about the water leak when it's raining. It's been raining whole day, so it's the perfect timing to find out if it's really leaking inside. Let's see now.
Yes, so as you can see, there's a little bit of droplets of water here, but I think that's not a big deal. In my case, I have this air filter box enclosure, so it shields my air filter from contaminants. So it's totally not a problem for me. And if you're on a stock air filter, it's the same. The only thing that you have to worry is when you're having this kind of a mushroom type air filter but doesn't have any cover on it. So maybe that's the time you have to worry about it a little bit.
Over here, there's no water leak, not even a drop.
And then so yeah, I think that answers the questions, right? So it's really a good carbon fiber hood, and the design, I so like it. It's a little bit of a variation from the usual Varis carbon fiber hood, and not so many of people here has this kind of carbon fiber here, even here in Japan. So yeah, it's all like it. So bold. The hood scoop, it's way more bigger than the stock one, so it's really standing out, that part over there. And for my observation, the engine temperature, the water temperature, it's now more stable than it used to be with my OEM hood. Even if I keep on running high speed on a highway, my water temperature stays at somewhere some 90 to 92 degrees Celsius, so it doesn't go like before, some 95, 96 like that. So it's really super stable now. So I think that's because of this carbon fiber hood. So yeah, that's it.
Thumbs up to Kondo Engineering for making this carbon fiber hood.